Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we present Sneaker Sundays. In this episode of Sneaker Sundays, man, I got something special for y'all, man. Something real special, man. This shoe sold out everywhere, man. If you were an Air Max head, man, you were trying to get your hands on this shoe. Because everybody know, every time this company get together with Nike, they give you something special. Really special. Like special to a point that some of their shoes that they collaborated with Nike with are reselling right now for 2 bands, 3 bands, 4 bands. We're talking about this weekend that just passed, Nike collaboration with Parra, man. The Air Max 1, man. A lot of people, if you've been collecting sneakers for a while, man, you know how Nike and Parra do when they get together. Forget about the talking, man. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you guys can be notified when we dropping new content to the channel, man. Shout out to my man Carl, it's his pair. It ain't mine, it's his pair. He hit me and said, review these. So you already know I had to bring it to y'all, man. Enough with the talking, man. Let's get into this shoe. Box. It's a different box, man. Like, I don't even know if y'all can see that because it's white. I'm gonna let y'all see the side, see the borders on these joints right here, man. Check the borders out on here, man. Y'all see it, man. Do y'all care about this box? Y'all don't care about this box. Check out the insole. Y'all see it, man. Special shoe. It's crazy. There you go. There you go, right here for y'all. Y'all see it. Parra Jones. Limited edition. Limited edition. Whew. Let's get to it though. I see it, man. One word for y'all. Clean. That's all I gotta say, man. Y'all see it. Got the white mesh toe box. Got the printed with the this is suede here. Like right here is suede. Suede gray with the white, fire. Got the pink swoosh right here, fire. Polka dot navy blue, fire. OG red on Nike, fire. Hold up. We're gonna get to some more. Hold up. Check the back out with the pink stripe, fire. Blue swoosh, fire. I don't know if y'all can see the laces. Get the laces on here though. I want y'all to check the tips out. If y'all can see the tips. Stripe, blue and white, fire. Hold up, look at the back of the toe. I want y'all to see all this. I got to get everything. Fire. What can I say? If you ain't feeling these, man, if you ain't feeling this collaboration, man, do y'all research on the Nike and Parra collaborations throughout the year. I need y'all to do y'all research, man. I'm still looking for the burgundy joints from about 5-6 years ago. They go for like 3 bands. I know, like, yo, everybody be hyped off shoes or what they can resell for. Go look them up. They got joints, man. Pattern, like when they get together, it's nothing but special. It's collaboration. Like, oh my God, I can't even get my words out, man. Y'all know what I'm saying, though. Fire. That's all I gotta say, man. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. They came out of nowhere with this too. Like they probably did a month of talking about it or whatever. Let people see the pictures, bought them right out. Fire. It's crazy, man. Like, I don't even know. Like, right now I'm thinking about, because this is my first time looking at them. I'm opening them, I just unboxing them with y'all. I ain't even look at them. He gave me the shoe. I kept him in the box, in the bag until I was ready to do the video, man. But come on, son. Nike brand has been coming with it all 2018. After subpart 2017, they've been coming with it all 2018. Come on, man. Like, what is you talking about, man? Like, what is there to talk about? Like, this, come on, like, do we get any better than this, though, man? I understand it's a little hard to, match this up or whatever the case may be, but if you flee, you can make it happen, man. If you get fly, you can make it happen, man. You can make it happen. I think Nike, they came out with some clothes with, with these releases, because they came out with the Air Max 1 and the Sparrow Dawn. I don't know anybody that got the Spiral Dawns or anything like that, so I won't be able to bring that to you guys, man. But the Air Max 1, that's the one I was chasing. I took an L like everybody else took an L on the sneakers at. And every other, raffle thing that everybody into, do nothing but taking L's, man. My man Carl, he gets his hands on everything, man. I'm gonna link his Instagram in the bio below, so you guys can, reach out to him if you need a shoe or whatever the case may be. This guy gets everything, man. So do your due diligence, man, and your homework, man. But these is fire, man. I can't say nothing wrong with them, man. Let me know if y'all think these is trash. Leave it in the comments below, man. Leave it in the comments below. Let me know. We can talk about it, man. But do your research on the Parra and Nike collaboration game, man, because they've been coming with it for years. If you've been collecting sneakers for a while, you know how they give it up, man. But, man, these is fire, super clean, man. I hope and pray, because I've been seeing that Nike's been retro in a lot of collaborations. They did it with Atmos. It's the first time they did a collaboration with Parra and mad long. So hopefully we can get the retros of the other Air Max ones and the other Air Maxes that they came out with. And if we get those back, man, it's gonna be crazy, man. It's gonna be crazy, man. These are too fire. Look at these joints. Let me know what's wrong. Tell me. If you see something wrong, let me know. Let me know. If I'm tripping, you let me know. Let me know if I'm tripping. Let me know. Talk to me. Talk to me. The airbag, got the red airbag, man. Come on. So fire. The so fire. Get over this, man. These is crazy, man. I'm looking at them. I just unboxed them with y'all, man. These is too fire, man. But y'all know I gotta rate them. The rate game, I gotta rate it, man. I'm gonna straight up come up with. I'm saying, man, I ain't even gotta talk about it, man. 4.5, man. 4.5, man. There's no flaws on it. I just can't give it a 5. There's no flaws. 4.5, man, out the gate, man. I'm giving it 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. Let me know what y'all give it in the comments below. If y'all think they trash, like I mentioned before, leave it in the comments below, because these is fire. Also, man, please check out our social media accounts, man. Instagram and on Twitter for daily updates, man. Like, we stay posting on Instagram and on Twitter. Like, I check out the different clothing and stuff that we have on there. The hats, the t-shirts that we got on there, the new stuff we're working on. It's updates on Instagram, on Twitter all the time, man. Let me give y'all the handle for that. The handle for Instagram and Twitter is PENNY_4YT. If you guys want to reach out to us for any business inquiries, you guys can email us at p4yt2016@gmail.com. And with that being said, we keep it 100, not a penny less. Peace.